All right, everybody. As y'all see, I got the blue screen of the saying that it's a little corruption thing installed on Windows XP. Now, I did switch to ACH1 in the BIOS, but there's more to it that you have to do. And I am under the weather right now, and I do not feel like watching YouTube videos of how to get the extra. It's like an additional party software you're supposed to use to get by past this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead on and be installing, yes, my Windows 8.1 Pro 64-bit. I say, you know what? If I'm going to be doing more with this PC, I might as well just go ahead on and use what I have to use. I can go ahead and use it for like doing videos. Yes, I can use it for doing videos, but I cannot use it for uploading anything on Windows XP. So yes, I gave it a shot. I saw a video that was wrong, that was completely wrong. And I got to go ahead and search through the web to find the right proper video to allow me to get through this blue screen of nonsense here. So just like I said, I'm under the weather. I am extremely tired. And I want to just sit down and rest and drink some orange juice and some hot liquids for the rest of the day. Once I'm done with doing that, I'll show y'all the post, y'all. If y'all want to see the system, that's the system again right there. She's looking good. I just got to do cable management. Right now, I don't have time for that BS right now. So y'all excuse the little partial language, abbreviation of language I'm using. I'm extremely tired, so y'all have. I'm working through it. So I got some videos to put out today. I got this to work on today, and I'm gonna go ahead on and go with Windows 8.1 Pro. I should have done that in the beginning, but I just want to see if I could get my Windows XP with a video I saw on YouTube that is completely wrong. There's another video that allows you to download a third-party software, something to put on it to get past this screen here. So, just like I said, she's in ACH, or she probably might switch out to ACH. Knowing this thing here, so it's so tricky messing with this ass rock motherboard. But I'm rebooting to go ahead and show y'all what I'm talking about. She's on 8 gigabytes of RAM, so I'm not really worrying about that. So yes, let's see. Go to advanced. Go to storage configuration. Yes, she's in AHC1, as you see right there. For some reason, it's supposed, once you switch it there, it allows it to read Windows XP disk, because Windows XP only read IDE drives only. No SATA. SATA is a whole different thing. So, like I said, I have to watch videos for that. And y'all probably hear my voice. I am extremely exhausted. So, I'm going to just go ahead on in with Windows 8.1 Pro. And I'm just going to chillax with that there. I'll be back with the final finishes of everything, showing y'all good screen and everything posted. Stand by. All right, everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back. This system is so funny. You know, I sit down here and say, before I go ahead on it and just continue installing Windows XP, I said, let me go ahead and give her a shot. So I reboosted her, changed it back to IDE for the hookups, and this is where I'm at right now with it. I am sorry, everybody, that this video is all over the place, but I am excited to see this. When you get to this stage right here, you know everything is good to go. So now what I'm going to do is hit enter for installing. I'm going to go quick. And voila. She's stomping. I am excited to see this. Wow. It's been a long time before I installed Windows XP. Now it says creating list of files to copy, but CD audio system, yes. Now this motherboard I'm using by ASRock is for Windows XP and Windows 7. That is it. So far everything looking good. I'm gonna keep y'all posted. Okay, so I'll say about 30 minutes tops, because it's gonna go ahead and set up, and it's zipping. You can see in the corner everything is zipping perfectly. But this thing here is a trip. I almost gave up on it, but I said, let me just, knowing me and with the patience I have, I said, let me go ahead on and just give it another shot. Even though I'm under the weather, let me try it again. I got so much going on right now. I'm putting music in my system, my entertainment system. I got videos I'm trying to edit, and I'm doing this all at the same time. Wow. Y'all probably saying, Ron, you busy? Yes, I am. But I decided to go ahead and share this with y'all. I am not installing Windows XP just for internet browsing use only. Don't worry. Some of y'all probably say, "Oh, Windows XP, you can't use it because we're gonna get viruses." There are virus protections for Windows XP you can still use. I have looked that up. When you do your research, you can back up your information. Yes, everybody junked Windows XP because that's Gamers Universe. Gamers Universe junk everything. They junk old systems. They go ahead and mess with new systems. And I'm the type kind of guy is I don't listen to nobody but my own opinion. So now I'm listening to my own opinion, my own advice, and I'm going with Windows XP. And I'm gonna keep y'all posted with the final presentation. Do I have the home screen or did she crash? All right, stand by. All right, everybody. I did not give up on her. There she go. After 30 minutes later, about an hour. I'm gonna say basically between 30 minutes to an hour, she's up. Yes, sir. She is up and running, and I love it. So now, just like I said, I got to go ahead and bring Windows XP up to speed. Where you go ahead and get the end of life screen. I will be using it, browsing the internet. Yes, just like I said, you can download a virus protection software that holds the malware and everything into it. But keep in mind, I'm going to make this strictly clear. It is not meant for gaming because Steam has ended the life of Windows XP as well as Epidemic. So if you want to use this for internet browsing, you can, doing some spreadsheets, you can, etc., doing some thumbnails, etc. While you working, you just say, hey, let me go ahead and get my next video presentation out, like what I'm going to be using it for. Let me get my video presentation out and let me go ahead and get everything ready, such as the thumbnails, etc., my script writing, etc. I can just go ahead and post all that up and everything be good to go. So yes, you can still use Windows XP for internet browsing only. Now, if you think you can game off of it, then you just a straight asshole because you cannot game off Windows XP anymore. Now, if you still have some old school games laying around like Mahjong or Bejeweled, yeah, you can play those on it, but that's about basically it. Puzzle games here and there, but nothing from Steam or Epidemic Games or any other game developers out there. Windows XP is shut down for those game developers, users, and they do not use XP or Windows 7 or Windows 8. By the end of 2024, that will be the end for Steam and Epic Games on Windows 7 and Windows 8 at the beginning of 2024. How do I feel about Microsoft? Y'all know how I feel about Microsoft. Microsoft sucks. They got us wasting money for no apparent reason. So next year, about Q1 or Q2, you will have Windows 12. Are y'all going to be happy with it? Gamers and the new tech enthusiasts, that's up to you to decide. But right now, I'm bringing back my old school system here. A system that I love the most. A system that Steve Jobs helped his friend Bill Gates, who is now in the food industry, making people sick, help them fix the software. So kudos to Steve Jobs. And Windows XP is up and running. I'm happy to have her up and running. Now, the only thing I have to do now is download system drivers, and she's good to go. Thank y'all for watching this video. It may be all over the place, but hey, I kept y'all posted what's going on. She's up and running on the SSD. that I have brought from AliExpress. The SSD is right here. It's the 3M SSD. I got my up here extension, not my up here, but extension cables I got off AliExpress, which working good. Hard drive's not breaking, the GPU's not breaking a sweat. My system's not breaking a sweat. Even though it's wide open, but trust me, all that mesh up top, please. Old school me knows what he's doing. And that's a good thing about it. Now, I do have episode 9 coming out explaining things like this here. Questions I'm coming up with. Y'all may want to hear. If y'all like it, y'all go ahead and post your comments in the description section below about this whole setup here. You know, I know y'all going to backlash it, so just go ahead and give it to me. I love the backlash. It don't bother me, but it does destroy my channel as well as my videos. So, but hey, what can I say to the haters out there of YouTube? So what can I say? Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Y'all have a wonderful and happy holiday season.